Alright, hello YouTube. I just built this bike. It's a Specialized. Everything's good on it. I'm just having one problem. I'll show you what that is. This chain keeps riding up on the sprocket. I mean, I've got everything straight, you know, the chain's straight, it's all aligned, but for some reason this chain keeps pulling up like that on the top. It's just snagging it, and it's real rough. It's pulling the link up and then it's dropping the link down, which I don't know why it's doing that, but the sprocket's catching in the link right here, and then it's pulling that chain up. And then the chain will drop down eventually on the teeth, but I'm trying to get a better picture of it. So then it rides up on that sprocket, and then falls back down on the tooth. And what it's doing is it's grabbing, it's coming up under here, the tooth, and it's lifting this up because it's not going right in the middle of the link. It's, instead of falling right in the middle of this blank area, it's hitting this back one, picking it up, and then finally the tooth will fall in. But my concern is obviously when I start to get riding fast, it's going to pick that chain up, and then it's just going to bind right inside the chamber there, and it's going to get wedged in there. So my question is, what do I do different to fix that?